Gentlemen, today I want to talk about something that many of us quietly struggle with but rarely discuss openly. Our sexual health and vitality. It's normal to experience changes as we age, but the good news is that nature has provided us with solutions that are simple, effective, and completely within our control. I'm going to share one powerful combination that can help you regain energy, confidence, and that spark you might have thought was gone forever. Let's start with something most of us already know, olive oil. This golden liquid isn't just for cooking. It's packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that support your heart, circulation, and overall well-being. And if your circulation improves, everything else in your body functions better, including your sexual health. But what if I told you that blending olive oil with one simple, natural ingredient could take its benefits to an entirely new level? This isn't some fancy supplement or prescription medication. It's something you can easily incorporate into your daily routine safely and naturally. When olive oil is combined with this special ingredient, it works to increase blood flow, stimulate your nerves, and even support hormone balance. This means your little guy wakes up more easily and your confidence grows naturally without any artificial interference. This isn't about quick fixes or temporary boosts. It's about nurturing your body, giving it what it needs to perform at its best, and reclaiming the vitality you deserve. The method is simple, and that's part of why it's so effective. Take the recommended amount of olive oil, mix it with this ingredient, and consume it consistently. Some men choose to take it in the morning for a boost of energy that lasts all day, while others prefer it before meals to enhance digestion and absorption. It's all about finding what works best for your body. The beauty of this approach is that it's natural, safe, and respectful of your body's own rhythms. There are no complicated schedules, no side effects, just pure, simple nutrition that supports your health from the inside out. But let's be honest, this is more than just about physical performance. It's about confidence. It's about feeling good in your own skin and embracing the man you are, regardless of age. When you take control of your sexual health naturally, you're sending a message to yourself and to those around you that you value your body, your energy, and your relationships. That confidence radiates in every aspect of your life, from work to family to social interactions. So, gentlemen, don't wait. Start today. Blend olive oil with this powerful natural ingredient, be consistent, and watch the transformation. This is your chance to reclaim your vitality, restore your confidence, and enjoy every moment fully. Your body responds when you treat it with care, and your little guy is ready to remind you just how strong, capable, and alive you truly are. Take action, nourish yourself, and embrace the power of nature working in your favor. Gentlemen, let's have a real conversation today, something that affects so many of us but is rarely spoken about openly: sexual vitality and performance as we age. It's completely normal for things to change over time. Our energy might dip, our confidence might waver, and those moments of spontaneity we once took for granted can feel like they've disappeared. But here's the truth. Nature has given us some incredible tools to regain that vitality, and one of the simplest, most powerful solutions starts right in your kitchen. I'm talking about a combination that is natural, effective, and easy to incorporate into your daily life. Olive oil has long been celebrated for its incredible health benefits. This golden elixir isn't just for salads or cooking. It's packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory properties that support your heart, your circulation, and your overall health. And when your circulation improves, your body functions better in every way, including sexual performance. But here's the secret that takes it to the next level. When olive oil is blended with a specific natural ingredient, it can have a profound effect on your sexual vitality, helping your little guy wake up more easily and your confidence soar naturally. This combination works on multiple levels. It improves blood flow, which is critical for sexual health, while also stimulating your nerves and supporting hormone balance. The result isn't a temporary or artificial boost. It's a natural improvement that helps you feel more energetic, more confident, and more alive. Men often notice that they regain a sense of control over their bodies. That spark that seems to fade with age starts returning, and even intimacy with their partners becomes more satisfying and fulfilling. The method is incredibly simple, which is why it works so well. All you need is the right amount of olive oil blended with this powerful natural ingredient, taken consistently each day. Some men choose to consume it in the morning to fuel their energy throughout the day, while others prefer it before meals to maximize absorption and support digestion. The key is consistency. Your body needs this daily nourishment to restore balance and function. Unlike medications or synthetic supplements, this approach works with your body, respecting its natural rhythms and helping it perform at its best without side effects or complications. But this isn't just about physical performance. It's about confidence, self-respect, and embracing life as a man who takes control of his health. When you invest in your body and your vitality, it reflects in every area of your life. You carry yourself differently, interact differently, and experience life more fully. That renewed confidence and energy can transform your relationships, your work, and your overall quality of life. So, gentlemen, it's time to take action. Blend olive oil with this incredible natural ingredient, make it a part of your daily routine, and watch the transformation happen. Your body will respond, your energy will return, and your little guy will remind you of the strength and vitality that never left. It was just waiting for the right care. Nature is giving you a chance to reclaim your confidence, your energy, and your sexual health, and it starts today. Gentlemen, let's talk about something that is often overlooked but affects the core of our confidence and well-being, our sexual health. As men age, changes in energy, stamina, and vitality are completely normal. Many of us face moments when we feel less powerful or less in control than we used to. But here's the empowering truth. Nature provides us with incredible solutions to restore energy, vigor, and confidence, and one of the most effective starts with a simple, natural combination you can easily prepare at home. Olive oil has long been recognized as a miracle for overall health. Its antioxidants and healthy fats support heart health, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. And when circulation improves, every part of the body, including your sexual organs, functions better. But the real magic happens when olive oil is combined with a certain natural ingredient. Something safe, simple, and incredibly effective. This blend works on multiple levels, enhancing blood flow, stimulating nerves, and supporting hormonal balance, which can help your little guy wake up instantly. This isn't about temporary fixes or chemicals. It's about helping your body perform at its natural peak. The beauty of this approach is how simple and practical it is. By blending olive oil with this powerful ingredient, you create a natural tonic that can be taken daily. Some men prefer to consume it in the morning for energy throughout the day, while others take it before meals to aid absorption and digestion. Regardless of timing, consistency is key. Unlike medications or supplements with side effects, this natural remedy works with your body's rhythms, nourishing it from the inside out. Over time, you'll notice increased vitality, enhanced energy, and improved sexual performance. This combination doesn't just improve physical function, it transforms confidence. When you take control of your sexual health naturally, you regain a sense of power and self-respect. You feel more confident in your body, more present with your partner, and more capable in all aspects of life. This renewed energy radiates beyond the bedroom. It affects your interactions, your work, your relationships, and your overall quality of life. Feeling young and vital isn't just about looks, it's about performance, energy, and confidence that come from within. Gentlemen, it's time to embrace your natural potential. Start blending olive oil with this incredible ingredient, make it a daily habit, and witness the transformation. Your body will respond, your energy will return, and your little guy will remind you that strength, virility, and confidence never truly left. They were just waiting for the right nourishment. Taking control of your sexual health is an act of self-respect and empowerment, and it's a gift you give to yourself and your relationships. Don't wait another day to reclaim your vitality. By nourishing your body naturally, you can restore your confidence, enhance your energy, and enjoy a renewed sense of power and vitality. This is the simple, natural, and effective path to feeling like yourself again. Start today and let your body show you what it is truly capable of. Gentlemen, today I want to speak about something that affects countless men but is rarely discussed openly: sexual vitality and performance as we grow older. It's natural for energy to decline and for confidence to fluctuate over time. Many men notice changes in their stamina, their ability to perform, and their overall sense of masculinity. But here's the truth: you don't have to accept these changes as permanent. Nature has provided us with powerful solutions, simple remedies that can restore your vigor, boost your confidence, and awaken your body in ways you may have thought were gone forever. One of the most potent of these natural remedies is olive oil. This golden elixir is not just a cooking ingredient. It's packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory properties that nourish your entire body. Improved circulation, reduced inflammation, and better cardiovascular health all begin with olive oil. And as blood flow improves, so does sexual performance, energy, and vitality. But when olive oil is paired with one specific natural ingredient, its effects are amplified in ways that can help your little guy wake up instantly, restoring not only physical ability, but confidence and enthusiasm as well. This combination works on multiple levels. It supports healthy blood flow, stimulates nerve endings, and helps balance hormones naturally. Unlike temporary or chemical solutions, this natural approach encourages your body to function at its peak. Men who incorporate this blend into their daily routine often notice increased energy, better sexual responsiveness, and a renewed sense of self-assurance. It's not a miracle pill. It's a natural way to give your body exactly what it needs to thrive, both physically and mentally. The application is straightforward and easy to integrate into everyday life. Take the recommended amount of olive oil, mix it with this natural ingredient, and consume it consistently. Some prefer mornings to start the day with energy and vitality, while others take it with meals for optimal absorption. What matters most is consistency and making it part of your routine. This approach doesn't disrupt your life, it enhances it gently but powerfully, working with your body instead of against it. But this isn't just about physical performance. It's about confidence, self-respect, and embracing life as a man who takes charge of his health. When you nurture your body naturally, you feel stronger, more capable, and more alive. That confidence carries over into every aspect of your life, from your work to your relationships to how you present yourself every day. Reclaiming your vitality is not only about feeling young again, it's about living fully, embracing energy, and experiencing life on your terms. So, gentlemen, take action today. Blend olive oil with this powerful natural ingredient. Make it part of your daily routine and watch as your body responds. Your energy will return. Your confidence will soar, and your little guy will remind you of the strength and vitality that were always within you. This is a natural, safe, and effective path to feeling vibrant, strong, and fully alive again. Don't wait. Your time to reclaim your sexual health and vitality is now. Gentlemen, let's have an honest conversation about a topic that many men feel embarrassed to discuss, but affects so many of us: sexual vitality and performance as we age. Changes in energy, stamina, and confidence are normal, and yet they can leave us feeling frustrated or less like ourselves. The truth is, you don't have to accept these changes as permanent. Nature has given us powerful, simple tools to restore vitality, increase energy, and regain confidence. And one of the most effective solutions starts with a simple, natural combination that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Olive oil is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a powerhouse for your health. Packed with antioxidants and healthy fats, it supports heart health, improves circulation, and reduces inflammation throughout the body. And when circulation improves, every system functions better, including your sexual organs. But here's the secret that makes it even more effective. When olive oil is blended with one specific natural ingredient, its benefits are magnified, helping little guy wake up instantly and giving you renewed sexual energy. This isn't about quick fixes or artificial stimulants. It's about nourishing your body so it can perform naturally at its best. This combination works in multiple ways. It boosts blood flow, stimulates nerves, and supports hormonal balance, all critical for male vitality. Men who use this natural remedy consistently often notice increased energy, improved sexual responsiveness, and a newfound sense of confidence. It's not a temporary or artificial solution. It's a way to give your body what it truly needs to function at its peak. Over time, the results are cumulative, enhancing both physical performance and mental well-being. The process is simple and easy to incorporate into your day. Measure the recommended amount of olive oil, mix it with this natural ingredient, and consume it regularly. Some men prefer mornings to jumpstart their energy, while others take it with meals to maximize absorption. Consistency is key, and the beauty of this approach is that it works with your body's natural rhythms. Unlike medications or supplements with potential side effects, this is safe, natural, and effective, helping your body perform better while supporting overall health. But this is more than just physical improvement. It's about reclaiming confidence. When you take charge of your sexual health, you gain a sense of empowerment that radiates through every aspect of your life. You'll feel more confident in your body, more present with your partner, and more energetic in daily activities. The confidence gained from feeling strong and vital enhances your relationships, your work, and your overall quality of life. So, gentlemen, take action today. Blend olive oil with this incredible natural ingredient, make it part of your daily routine, and witness the transformation. Your body will respond, your energy will return, and your little guy will remind you that vitality, strength, and confidence never truly left. They were always there, waiting for the right nourishment. This is your opportunity to take control, boost your health naturally, and reclaim the energy and sexual vitality that define your manhood. Gentlemen, today we're going to talk about something that impacts the lives of countless men, but is rarely discussed openly: sexual vitality and performance as we age. It's completely normal for energy, stamina, and confidence to fluctuate over time, and many men notice changes that leave them feeling frustrated or less like themselves. The good news is that you don't have to accept these changes as permanent. Nature has provided simple, safe, and effective solutions to restore your energy, boost your sexual health, and reignite your confidence. And one of the most powerful starts with a natural combination you can easily prepare at home. Olive oil is a golden elixir with incredible health benefits. It's packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support cardiovascular health, improve blood circulation, and help your body function at its best. And when circulation improves, everything else in your body, including your sexual organs, benefits as well. But what makes this even more remarkable is when olive oil is combined with one specific natural ingredient, it amplifies its effects, helping your little guy wake up instantly and restoring sexual energy in a natural and sustainable way. This isn't about artificial stimulants or medications. It's about giving your body what it truly needs to perform optimally. This natural combination works on several levels. It enhances blood flow, stimulates nerve endings, and supports healthy hormonal balance, all essential for male vitality. Men who consistently use this simple remedy often notice increased energy, better sexual responsiveness, and a renewed sense of confidence. It's not a temporary boost or a short-term fix. It's a long-term solution that nurtures your body, allowing it to function as nature intended. Over time, you'll feel stronger, more alert, and more alive in every aspect of life. The application is straightforward. Simply measure the recommended amount of olive oil, mix it with this natural ingredient, and consume it daily. Some men prefer mornings to jumpstart their energy, while others take it with meals for maximum absorption. Consistency is key, and the beauty of this method is that it works with your body's natural rhythms, enhancing your health without disrupting your lifestyle. Unlike medications or chemical supplements, this natural approach is safe, effective, and sustainable, allowing your body to regain its strength naturally. But let's be clear, this isn't just about physical performance. It's about confidence, self-respect, and feeling empowered in your own skin. When you take control of your sexual health, you feel stronger, more capable, and more alive. That confidence carries over into your daily life, your relationships, and your work. Reclaiming your vitality doesn't just improve your sexual performance. It transforms how you feel, how you move through the world, and how others perceive you. So, gentlemen, it's time to take action. Blend olive oil with this powerful natural ingredient, make it a part of your daily routine, and watch the transformation happen. Your energy will return, your confidence will soar, and your little guy will remind you of the strength and vitality that have always been within you. This is your opportunity to reclaim your sexual health, boost your energy, and live life fully, naturally, and confidently. Don't wait another day. Start today and feel the difference for yourself. Gentlemen, as we wrap up today, remember this: your sexual health and vitality are not something you have to give up or accept as just part of aging. Nature has provided simple, powerful solutions, and with consistency and care, you can reclaim your energy, confidence, and strength. Start by blending olive oil with this natural ingredient. Make it a daily habit, and watch your body respond. Your little guy will remind you of the power that was always within you, and you'll feel more alive, confident, and unstoppable than ever before. Take action today. Nurture your body and embrace the vitality and confidence that you deserve.